this can stop the student.
What's June 6th?
You need to stop. I'm not telling you what June 6th is yet. You need to go to class. Students these days. Rowe's annual Pride Parade will be held on Friday, June 6, 2025. Did you know Unity has been a part of Rowe for almost over 10 years? Specifically, 1 decade is 10 years. So this year, for this Pride Parade, we're going out with a bang. In order for you to participate in the Pride Parade, you must fill out a Google form, which is located on the Rowe Hub. On the Google form, it's going to ask for your name, your pronouns, grade, and on day 1, which is when the Pride Parade will be, it will ask for your first period teacher. It will also ask on why you want to attend this year's Pride Parade. You'll receive a pass during first period on Friday, June 6, 2025, and it's going to be your responsibility to show up at the parade at the exact time. So sign up to go to the Pride Parade.
June 6th. June 6th. June 6th. June 6th. June 6th.